Hello students, today we are going to start class 4 subject English 1 chapter 7 Bravo Amir Aga book exercise and the question answer we will do. So first we will do the question answer. So open your textbooks and the page number 68. Now the question number 1, what were the kite runner doing? The answer, the kite runner were returning trunkly holding their captured kites high. Now the question number 2. How did Amir feel by 3 o'clock in the afternoon? By 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Amir's legs ached and his neck was stiff, but with each defeated kite, hope grew in his heart. Question number 3. How did the people enjoy themselves? People enjoyed by watching the competition of kite flying. They were stomping their feet, clapping, whistling, and chanting Boris, cut him, cut him. 4. How did Amir think God would help him? Amir thought that God would guide the winds to blow in his favor, so that with the tip of his string he did cut, losing his pain and the blue kite. 5th one. How did he finally cut the blue kite? When a gust of wind lifted his kite, he felt the string pulled his kite up, looked his kite on top of the blue on, and taking advantage, he managed to cut the blue kite. Now, do you know now who said to whom? Do you know those it might be? Who said this word and to whom? Amir Aga said this word to Hassan. What is it? It referred to the blue kite. What answer did the speaker get? Hassan had no idea about the honor of the blue kite. Second, you are almost there. Amir Aga also there. Who said this and to whom? Hassan said this word to Amir Aga. What did the speaker mean by almost there? By almost there, the speaker meant he was about to cut the blue kite. Was Amir finally successful? Yes, Amir Aga was successful. Now, come to book exercise. Look at the picture and guess the compound word. Star plus fish, starfish. Sea plus horse, seahorse. Sun plus flower, sunflower. Thumb plus nail, thumbnail. Wheel plus chair, wheelchair. This work you have to do in your textbook only. Now B2. Cross out the word which does not combine with the underlined word to form compound word. Make compound word with the other word. Tooth, gum. Sun, heat. Book, leaf. Table, fog. Post, letter. Now turn your page Now come to D1. Solve this puzzle by guessing the correct word with G letter. Now third, the act of laughing, laughter. So you have to write the spelling of the laughter, Laughther, laughter. A container for animals to eat from. 5. Trough, Troughh. Now 6. A mixture of flour and water. Now where is the 6th? Doughh, Doughh. Now down, ability to see something. 1. Side, Sigst. Someone who lives near your house. Neighbors, Neighbor. Neighbors. To behave badly. 4. Naughty, Naugusty. Naughty. So children, first you have to write in your copy chapter 7, Bravo Amit Agha. Now those words I am underlining, you have to do this work as a difficult word in your textbook, in your notebook. Promptly, blood, trickled, finger, bolted, surviving, dozen, favorite, slipped, bundle, shadow, returning, clubbed, trademark, command, concentrate, laughable, bragging. So this is your difficult word. First you have to write your difficult words, then you have to write your new words in your copy. After new words, write your A1, answer the following. Then after this you have to write the who said to whom in your copy. This is your copy work, and question B1, B2 and question D2. This is your textbook work. You have to do in your textbook, and do your work with neat and beautiful handwriting. After doing your work, learn your work also. Thank you.